Beware of who influences you. Do you know research suggests that we become an average of the 5 people we constantly hang around with? If you are a budding college student with big dreams, ready to step into a new phase of your life, you have reached the right place. I am Lata, an ICF certified success coach and a certified NLP master practitioner, and I will share with you the biggest secret to achieve your dreams. Now, throughout our life, we have different phases and different influences like parents, our family, friends, our teachers, colleagues, and peers. The most sensitive years are the college years, and you know why? Because this phase will not only prepare you for the rest of your life, but this is the age, the number of people who influence you and the effect it would have on you would be a lot more as compared to the previous stages of your life. Here is where you are going to meet a lot of individuals the same age as you. The things they say, the things they do, which might be something they do consciously or subconsciously, will have an influence on you. And if you get influenced by anyone, that is what you will eventually become in your life. If you get acquainted with sensible people, you would develop good habits, grow your intellect, and go on to become really successful. But it can also turn out to be completely the opposite if you become a part of the wrong crowd. And once you join a wrong crowd, you know what your future would look like. See, it really does not depend on what kind of a college you join. All colleges, good and great, have equally good and not so good students in there. It is always up to you to choose which crowd you want to tag along with. If you get carried away by the wrong people, blaming them later is of no use. What can a blame game do? Nothing at all. Can you go back and reverse the damage done? No, you cannot. And even if you blame the others for spoiling you, does it make any difference to them? End of the day, it is you who has to bear the results of it, isn't it? And most of the times, trying to change yourself after the damage will take double the time. Also, understand that nowhere am I telling you not to have fun or not to enjoy your college days. My intention is not to make your life all boring and all just about studies. All that I'm telling you is while you should have fun, do not let it reach a level where you lose focus from what you aspire to be. Always learn to strike a right, healthy balance between fun and studies. While you enjoy and have fun, ensure your prime focus is on your future and how you want your life to be. I know the first thing when we get into college is to get into a group where we feel most comfortable with. It is up to you to choose if you want to get along with the people who make you comfortable, or you want to be with people who can show you the right path which can help you set the stage for a good future. This choice is always a difficult one, but the moment you become clear about what you want to become in your life, this decision will become far more easy. Now, how do you know you are not in the right group? Groups where people only talk about destructive ideas, how to skip classes and not get caught, how to lie to parents and teachers, introducing you to negative habits, people with no long-term plans, no clarity about their future, people with little or no interest in leading a respectable life with a great career. Their behavior and mannerisms are excessively influenced by films and movies, and honestly, this list can go on. Now, all such things will give you happiness initially, but once you get entangled in it, it will become really difficult. Initially, though this might seem like fun, Can you imagine when you constantly have to keep inventing one lie to escape another? And what is the whole point of all this? It is not going to do you any good at all. Remember, the only person who will lose here is you. Leave the ones who have already decided to spoil their life. The irony here is getting into such groups is always easy, but the truth is, though it might seem fun, this is what will become the biggest hazard to your future. So, by all means, stay away from such groups. Now, I have heard a lot of so-called wise people say you have to enjoy your college life because you are never going to get your college days back. Tell me something. Can you get your school days back? Or can you get back your childhood? No, right? Then I don't understand what is a cliche of you will never get your college life back. Just because someone says enjoy your college life, don't go and ruin it for yourself by having only fun. Fun is definitely required, but don't let that become the center of your college life. Do not lose your focus on completing and excelling in your studies. Your studies is what will give you a better future. That is what I have seen 90% of the times. You know what? You can also still have fun in the right crowd, can't you? You can still do things you love. You could still do all the fun stuff and also find enough time to talk about good things, discussing future plans, sharing intelligent, constructive ideas, talking about higher studies, hanging out on weekends, developing good habits, contributing to the society in your small little ways, talking to your parents about all the good stuff in college, telling them the truth when you face issues, seeking advice from your teachers, etc. And this list also can go on. So, if you want to have fun, you can have fun with the right crowd and in the right manner. Learn not to get carried away by anything bad just because it feels good or just because others find it cool, even if it feels right to you. Remember one thing, nothing bad can ever be right. So what do? The habits you create in this stage of your life is going to shape your future. If you do not want to become a mediocre in your future, then set the stage now. Focus during your college days and complete your education. And if you want not to get distracted, you know which cord you need to cut. The cord with the wrong crowd and the wrong influences. Choose the right path because you do not want to regret later in life when you look at the ones who made it big in their life. Stay away from the wrong ones and never get carried away. What might seem good might not be so much fun in the later stages of your life. So choose wisely. Stay focused. All of us have the potential to achieve, but how we do it lies in each of our hands. If your college days are the most critical days of your life, then make sure you handle them with care because what you do today is shaping your future tomorrow. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, simple as that. Also remember to share this video with anyone you know who is ready to step into this critical phase in their life.